Hello and welcome to Sam Biology class. Friends, today we shall discuss about different types of DNA binding proteins. Transcriptional activators and repressors are both proteins that bind to specific sequence of DNA and regulate gene expression. Activators bind to specific regions of DNA and increase the rate of transcription. On the other hand, repressors decrease the rate of transcription by binding to specific regions of DNA. The DNA binding domains of eukaryotic activators and repressors contain a variety of structural motifs that bind specific sequence of DNA. The ability of these proteins to bind to specific regions of DNA commonly occur as a result of non-covalent interactions between atoms of an alpha helix in the DNA binding domain and atoms on the edges of bases within a major groove of DNA. Interactions with sugar phosphate backbone atoms and in some cases with atoms in the DNA minor groove also contribute to this binding. There are different types of DNA binding proteins. First one is homeodomain. First one is homeodomain proteins. Many eukaryotic transcription factors that function during development contain a conserved 60 residue contains a conserved 60 residue DNA binding motif that is similar to the helix turn helix motif, similar to the helix turn helix motif of bacterial repressors. The conserved homeodomain sequence has also been found in vertebrate transcription factors found in vertebrate transcription factors including those that control human development. Second type of DNA binding protein is zinc finger protein. Zinc finger proteins. Many eukaryotic proteins contain regions that fold around a central zinc ion, producing a compact domain from a relatively short length of the polypeptide chain. This compact domain, known as the zinc finger, is also present in proteins that do not bind DNA. There are different types of zinc finger. One is the C2H2 zinc finger. It is the most common DNA binding domain encoded in the genome of humans and also in the genome of multicellular animals. It is also common in multicellular plants. The structural motif, which has a 23 to 26 residue, 23 to 26 residue consensus sequence containing two conserved cysteine and two conserved histidines and two conserved histidines whose side chains bind one zinc ion. Because of the presence of two cysteine residues and two histidine residue, such type of zinc finger is known as C2H2 zinc finger. C stands for cysteine and H stands for histidine. Many eukaryotic transcription factors contain multiple zinc fingers that interact with successive base pairs within the major group of DNA around which the protein is wrapped. Second type of zinc finger is the C4 zinc finger, which contains four conserved cysteine residues that are in contact with a zinc ion. It is present in about 50 human transcription factors. The characteristic feature of the C4 zinc finger is the presence of two groups of four critical cysteines toward each end of a 55 to 56 residues domain. Because of the presence of four conserved cysteines, this type of zinc finger is known as C4 zinc finger. Another class of DNA binding proteins is leucine zipper proteins, which has a different type of structural motif that contain the hydrophobic amino acid leucine at every seventh position in the sequence. The structural motif is known as the leucine zipper, and the proteins that has this type of motif is known as leucine zipper proteins. These proteins bind DNA as a dimer. The DNA binding domain, the DNA binding domain, the DNA binding domain of yeast GCN4 transcription factor is an example of leucine zipper domain. X-ray crystallographic analysis of the complex between DNA and the DNA binding domain of GCN4 shows that the dimeric protein contains two extended alpha helices that grip the DNA much like a pair of scissors at two adjacent major groups separated by about half a turn of the DNA double helix. The portions of the alpha helices contacting DNA includes basic amino acids that interact with phosphates in the DNA backbone. It also has additional residues that interact with specific bases within the major groups of DNA. Another class of DNA binding proteins is basic helix loop helix proteins. These are dimeric transcription factors. Whose DNA binding domain has a different structural motif that is very similar to the basic zipper motif, except that a non-helical loop of the polypeptide chain separates the two alpha helical regions in each monomer. So friends, this is all about different types of DNA binding proteins and their structural motifs. For more updates, subscribe my YouTube channel, Sam Biology Class.